Hello everybody. So my next video on the Speech Articulation Trainer app version 4 concentrates on a further group of consonants, which are the approximants. Okay, so what are these sounds? That is, not all approximants are modeled here, but some.
L, A,
Approximants are a little bit in between consonants and vowels. The constriction, as we see here, for the, for example, for the apical approximant.
A.
So we see the constriction is not thus strong. In the case of the L, we have the lateral opening. So at least we summarize some different subtypes of sounds here in this group called approximants. Going to the movements,
L.
We can see the same as we already have seen for other types of consonants. First vowel, the closure is occurring and it's opened again. So in the case of the L, the closure may be long. In the case of the other approximants, I have to confess that I should model, for example, for the y, a, that in this case, I have spoken the sound very long, but mainly in normal speech, the duration of these both approximants is a little bit shorter than for other sounds. That is in the moment not modeled here. And I will try to do it in the next versions of the program. I will try to give you a parameter that you can change the length of the duration of a consonant, not just of the oral constriction, but as well of the simultaneously occurring glottal aperture for voiceless sounds, or the simultaneously occurring velopharyngeal opening, the lowering of the velum in case of nasals, and so on. So I will try to model this in further versions of the program, but in the moment all sounds are very long, and I have to confess that maybe normally in the case of the y, the sound duration is a little bit shorter than shown here. Wait on further versions and further updates of my app, and you will see that I will include that as well. Okay, last but not least, going to our fun application, to the microphone.
L.
Does this recognize my voice when I'm producing this sound? Sorry, does it recognize the sound when I do it with my voice?
L.
L. That's a little bit difficult. L. Okay, we're doing it wrong. A. Okay, it recognizes it. L. Oh. L. Okay. So, in case of my voice, it works. Again, I have to tell you, this is just a fun application. We have not a diagnostics here. What is going wrong with your articulation? Just the software is able currently to recognize sometimes your sound if it is spoken correctly. Thank you very much so far.